Oh, I think it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and got the chains back on her. Just got a request for a video. Get rid of the gloves. And this cast iron ball bearing I thought was not cast iron. What a waste of time. But I smashed her on that, so didn't take too long to destroy it. Anyway, that's garbage. So yeah, I'll use my smallest Chinese hammer. That's the one that's gonna bring out the most ring. Little China. So the heel will always ring. I don't care what anyone says. You can actually, if you take like one of these magnets, that's a 150-pound magnet, you stick it right under there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do that. I got another one of those 150-pound pricks. They're just a hell of a job getting them off. Ugh. Okay, so that's a 150-pound magnet. Stick that sucker right there. You heard that ringing. Now it sounds dead, right? But you can't tell me that's not dead. The further out the horn you get, I mean, you're never beating on the horn too hard anyway. I don't care what anyone says. When you take these big Fiskars, which are, I don't give a shit what anyone says. Like, that's a 3-pounder. But that is the most killer hammer of all hammers. I hate composite hammers, but that's worth every nickel. And yeah, that's my video of her being squeezed. Or not squeezed, sorry, the ring. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I got kidney stone surgery at 10, so anyway, thanks. Bye.